Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having one job. It is one electric kettle is not working at all while giving power. It's not accepting. It's not. We cannot switch in on, and we have to repair that kettle. This is brand wise Optima, model number CK204 00 242 230 240 the 1800 watts. This one is not working at all. We have to repair. This is a small job, but if it is any problem, we are throwing out. But we will try to repair. If it is repair, we can save our money, and we will try to repair. It will go for the. We have to remove the here, and here first we have to remove here. This is 230 power connection wire, and this the plate. We can remove and check what is the problem. 3 screws here. Now I already removed 3 screws. Now we have to check here. Yes, sometimes it's getting bent, damaged like that. Here you can see like this here. This one little bit bent. If this one not touching with here, it's not coming 230 power. Now we will here little bit bend here, and we will try to straight. And we will try one. Now I given power connection. Now I can check here 230 power coming or not. Yes, you can see 230 power is here. That's mean this part no any problem. Now we have to fix again the screw. We know this part is okay. Now we have to remove this part. We will check what is the problem here. Now I remove this part. We have to check this switch. It's not working sometime. And we will take it out from here. On off switch, we can check here. Yes, this switch already gone. This switch not working. Now we will remove and check what is the problem. This one we will remove like that. This one we can remove the press here, and we can check. We can remove like that. Now you can see this one here already. This switch having carbon. That's why it's not accepting. We can clean with the sandpaper. After that this will be okay. Now we can check here. See, it's not working still. Sandpaper because this one little bit water gone, because of that here oxide came. That's why it's not accepting. It's not touching actually together. Now we can check. Now I clean already, very clearly we clean. Now we will check continuity with my clamp meter. If it is problem here, now it should on. Now we will check the continuity here. Yes, you can see the now continuity is okay. Before it's not like that. Now we can give the power connection and we will check with the water. And now I'm going to put some water here, and I'm going to give power. I'm giving power connection now. Here its lights will come. If it is light not come, having another issue, now we will check anyway before fixing. Here its lights already came. You can see the light. Before light also not come. Now it should. Yeah, it's water getting warm. It's warming water. You can hear the noise also warming. This is small job actually. If it is having same issue at your home, now we have to power off because this is the thermistor. It's after fixing it will get automatically cut off, but still not getting cut off. At your home, this type of small issue you can resolve by yourself. No need to call anybody. Now we have to refix as same before. After that our job will complete. And now I'm going to fix all the screws as same before. After that finally we will check and we can use continuously. Fix handle and everything as same before. Now without replacing any parts, I repaired already this one. Now finally again I have to check with the water and we will checked. And I will add the water here again, and I'm keeping here and closing, and I'm giving power again. And see this switch, see it's working properly. It lights, water also warming. Yes, it is automatically cut off power. Again we have to check it's automatically cut off in power or not. I will check again. Auto off in. Yes, it is getting off automatically. Our job already done. Thanks for watching my channel again. We will meet with another video. Thanks for watching again.